Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to find link on Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to find the link here on Monopoly Go is pretty simple. So once you have logged into the game itself, all you have to do is go to the bottom right corner where you will find your friends. So from here, all you have to do is press invite, and then from there you will be shown this pop-up right here. So how it works basically is you invite a friend who's never played before, and your friend joins the game, and you complete the reward and get the big reward too. So by just inviting two, you will also get free dices. As you can see here, there's a milestone for 20, 60, and 100, and there's also a gift right here where you get a free token and 150 dice rolls for doing so. And you will get the link by just pressing this yellow button right here which says invite, and then all you have to do is copy the link and you're good to go. So that is how you find the link here in Monopoly Go. It's pretty simple. So again, all you have to do is go to your friends, and then from your friends you will see this layout in the bottom with your contacts, Facebook, and invite. All you have to do is press the invite button and press the yellow button that says invite, and you are good to go. So basically from there, that is just how you invite in people in Monopoly Go, and that's how you also find the link. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you again next time.